So, good morning everyone. Let's start our unit number 4 of marketing and sales, class 10. The unit number 4 is having the careers in selling option. How the salesperson will work or what kind of job opportunities we can find in selling is our unit number 4. And this the session 1 is of challenges in the selling career. We will discuss in our session number 1 of unit number 4. As you can see in unit 1, in unit 4, the session number 1, there were so many obstacles or difficulties a salesperson have to face while the selling option or a selling career, such as he had to work from the starting to have a selling options or the carriers, and to overcome from these starting point or to overcome from the obstacles used in this method is the key way to go for a further success. For the introduction, we can say this: the vastness and the complexity of industries and commerce had made buying and selling a complicated purpose or a matter today, as many of the selling or carriers are having many of the difficulties to face by the salesperson. The services of a salesperson are indispensable in marketing, means they had to work very fast, as he facilitates the sale of product or services to a household customer, a manufacturing firm. Means a salesperson have to represent these kinds of further options, such as household customer, they had to deal with the customer, manufacturing firm, the intermediaries, the distributor, the retailer. Means a salesperson has to manage these all things, or sometimes an organization also. In fact, selling purpose have more career opportunity out of them. Now it is very interesting activity which gives salesperson very freedom and opportunity to interact with different kinds of people or different sections of a people, and to had a financial handsome money or rewards on that. Or we can say is, if the salesperson is an agent, they will get the incentive out of that. So we can say that there were different kinds of salespersons, such as field sales manager, area sales manager, zonal or regional sales manager, and so on. Now he may scale up to the highest level of selling career, such as vice president sales or national sales, or a long term making sales person or organization or coordination. So these are the various types of salesperson who achieve more higher point of their career. So we can say that first type of things the salesperson have to face is the competition with low priced competitor. Sometimes in a market there are many type of competitor of a same product or a same type of services. So to achieve the more profit, the salesperson have to focus on their product, and salesperson have to face many difficulty situation to achieve these all sales target out of many competitor in a market. Now he has to create awareness and linking for his firm's product amongst prospective buyers. How to educate customer to differentiate quality of product from their of the other competitor. How to improve advertisement message or the production delivery, or deliver more value of the customer. So these all things have to be in kept mind to the salesperson while they are dealing with low priced of competitor in a market. Such as the second type of thing is the challenging of pricing and packaging. Sometimes to find out more qualified leads or leaders or the customers, the salesperson have to do more hard work. They had to identify the qualified leads, means who can become the final customer. They had to explore the more. Now prospect through the sales record, referral from the satisfied customer of the earlier one, list of responses to advertisement, cold calling as well as, and many other things he has to work on that to gather the information about the related product that is needed for the prospect. Now his present business, manufacturing business or manufacturing of products or their brands, whatever things are related with the customer side, the salesperson have to knowledge of these all things. The third kind of problem faced by the salesperson is need to win more business proposal. As the salesperson work is of incentive base, means agent base, so he had to deal with more number of business to achieve more number of profit. In case of competitive time sale, personnel have to chase their daily targets, weekly targets, or even as monthly or annual targets also related with their retain their jobs as well as the scale of their career path. So they have to achieve more in number. For these, they need to go to get more and more buyers and sales orders to achieve more number of profit, as we can see. So salespersons also required more number of business proposal to achieve more number of profits. Another thing the salesperson have to deal with is handling longer decision taking time. Sometimes the customer need more number of time to take any of the decisions. So this is also a buying type of decision which take more number of time. That is also known as lead pipeline. Clear? Since sale does not take place so far, so accepted cash flow towards firm is slow down. So these all problems have to tackle with the salesperson itself. It's their real challenge to create more number of attractive selling proportions or propositions to attract more number of prospect or more number of customers, so that to hold their attention and speed up their buying decision. To buying decision or to speed up the buying decision, the salesperson have to work very more effectively. Fifth one, the salespersons also have to make a plans of budget cuts also. A sales manager, while making the strategy to achieve the targets or the target customer, they had to study more on extensive study on different issues, such as he had to explore customers buying behavior and their purchasing power, what are the products and pricing strategies of rival firms are there. So he also has to work upon convenient payment options from the customer section. Now all these research works required a lot of manpower and money, which is another area of concern for the sales manager, who is also planning the budget cuts. Now lastly, sixth one, to win the customer loyalty, the salesperson has to achieve more number of options. Now selling is not over after the receipt of order itself. They have to deal with the customer after selling process also, means they have to create a long term relationship between the sales person and the customers, with the key parties also, we can say. He has to follow up the ensure that everything went well after the delivered of any of the product or services within the time, without any of the damaging during the transit. The customer did not face any of the problem in installation. So these all topics have to deal with the salesperson regarding with the customer section. that customer is satisfied or not, he is warranted of a product or a services. The word of mouth recommendation for the product and the firm may also increase the facility of increasing the business in the for future use. Because of getting new customer, cost of firms 5 times more easier than the actual cost retaining or existing customer. So existing customer and to handling or to satisfying the existing customer is more beneficial for a salesperson to deal with another big challenge before the salesperson. Now, internet revolution is also a big challenge for a salesperson. Digital revolution and management of information has increased the capability of the customer as they can get the information about the product by the comparing them in online different websites. So web marketing today is a very important sector and the salesperson need to require a new set of capabilities and the basic knowledge of web marketing to undertake these transactions. They may know about the designing attractive websites and communicating information about the company. It is a product or a services through social media sources to meet the needs of different types of customer, such as a web marketer can promote more in the websites, as well as the salesperson today are required to have a hard working knowledge capability of technology in the two-way type of communication with prospect as well as customer to meet their needs. Eighth one, to bring the customer's voice back into the company is another option for the salesperson to be a targeted customer and be in touch with after sales services. The feedback of a company from the customer section is a very important work done with the salesperson. Ninth one, training of for sales force. The salesperson should have a proper training or should taken the proper training regarding with the sales procedure or sales targets to achieve more goals in a future way. Or last one, tenth one is your ethical issues. That is another obstacles deal with the salesperson. Ethics are the set of rules that standards that govern and the conduct of a person or a member or a profession. It is believed that system which consists of knowing what is right and what is not in the sales, it is very essential as it leads integrity to salesperson behavior and maintains company's reputation. Now, selling profession is being widely criticized and unethical decision associated with it. Sometimes salesperson have to work very hard in the process of achieving targets, including into the unethical issues. That all types of functions worked by the salesperson is your first number of session of your unit number 4. Thank you.